guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off download videos option on your TikTok video. Whereby you turn off the download. What it means is that nobody gets to actually download your video or download it, right? So what is the first step you have to take? First step is make sure your TikTok app is up to date. So go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for TikTok. So once you search for TikTok, you update the app, and once you update the app, you can now go back to the app and click on the app open like this. Right, click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, you click on those three horizontal line up above your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. Scroll down and you can see download right here. Download, so you can actually click on that and turn that off, so people won't be able to download your video or share it to other platform if the setting is off. A link to your video can still be shared though, so that's one thing about it. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See my next video. Bye.